Hello friends, my name is Colin and welcome to my channel Culinary Delights. Today I'm going to show you how to make a traditional South African dessert, Malva pudding. It is one of my all-time favorite desserts. It is like a taste of heaven. So today I want to ask you to come join me in the kitchen as I show you how to make this simple and easy dessert. Right, preheat the oven to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, or that would be 200 degrees Celsius if you're using the metric system. Pour 1 cup of whole milk into a measuring cup or glass. If you want a denser pudding, then just use half cup of milk, but keep the same measurements of the baking soda and vinegar. To the milk, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda or bicarbonate soda. Then add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and stir everything together. This will cause the milk to curdle and create a buttermilk substitute. In a large mixing bowl, sift the self-raising flour. If you don't have self-raising flour, then just check out my link at the end of this video on how to make your own self-raising flour at home. To the flour, add a cup of brown sugar. That will be 1 cup of brown sugar, and then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to that. Add 2 tablespoons of apricot jam. Then add the 2 tablespoons of melted butter. After this, add the 2 eggs. Now thoroughly mix the ingredients together by adding the milk mixture in stages. Keep mixing until the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Using butter or oil, grease the baking dish. Pour the mixture into the dish. Now, bake it for 30 minutes. Okay, now that the Malva pudding is baking in the oven, we're going to wait for the last 10 minutes before we prepare the syrup. And this is how we make the syrup. In a saucepan, add together the following ingredients: 1 cup of cream, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of boiling water, and 1 cup of sugar. Cook over a medium heat to ensure that the sugar dissolves and also the butter melts. And stir often until the syrup comes to a slow boil. The stirring part ensures that nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. After the 30 minutes of baking, remove the Malva pudding from the oven and immediately, with a fork, poke the Malva pudding multiple times. This will ensure that the syrup saturates and goes deep into the pudding itself. Now, pour the boiling hot syrup over the hot pudding. It is very important that the syrup and the pudding is still hot at this point because it'll help with the absorption. It might seem that as you're pouring the syrup that you may have made too much because it'll just sit on top of the pudding. Just leave it, as this is what's needed. This is a normal process. Just let it stand until the pudding has absorbed all of the syrup. The Malva pudding can be served immediately with either custard, which is the preferred way, or with a dollop of cream or 1 or 2 scoops of ice cream. There we have it, folks. Enjoy. Well, here we are, all done and ready to try this incredible Malva pudding. Wow. Wow. That. That there is a taste of heaven. This is the closest to heaven you're going to have on this earth. It is absolutely delicious, tasty, crispy on the outside, syrupy and gooey on the inside. Absolutely amazing. You've got to try this recipe. You will not be disappointed.